Stop. Before you do anything else today, before you check your emails, before you make your coffee, before you sit down at your desk, I need 60 seconds of your attention. Because what I am about to show you could put thousands of extra pounds into your bank account this year. Not from a side hustle, not from an investment, from the job you are already doing. Money you have already earned, but have never been paid. The average UK employee who successfully negotiates a pay rise receives between 5 and 15% more salary. On a £35,000 salary, 15% is £5,250 extra per year. Every year. Compounding into every future pay review, every pension contribution, every mortgage application. And yet, research consistently shows that fewer than 30% of UK employees ever ask for a pay rise. Not because they do not deserve one, not because their employer would say no, but because they do not know how to have the conversation. They do not know what to say, how to say it. In this video, I am going to fix that completely. I am going to show you how to use AI to research what you should be earning, build an unanswerable case for a pay rise, and deliver the conversation using an exact script, word for word. Welcome back to Wealth AI, the channel where UK personal finance meets AI tools to help you build real wealth. Subscribe if you have not already. This week, we are combining both of our core niches into one video, using AI to increase your income. The biggest mistake people make going into a pay rise conversation is having no idea what they should actually be earning. Asking for more money without a market rate to anchor to is a weak position. Data is a strong one. Here is how to use AI to find your number. Open Claude or ChatGPT and type this exact prompt. Replace the brackets with your details. What is the current market rate salary range for this role in 2026? Please give me the quartile figures based on UK data. Then cross-reference the AI output with Glassdoor UK, total jobs, and Reed salary checkers. All free. Within 15 minutes, you will have a clear, data-backed picture. If you are below the median, you have your anchor number. That is what you are going to ask for. A pay rise request backed only by market data is good. A request backed by documented record of contribution is impossible to refuse. Use AI to help you build this case. Open Claude and type, "Help me structure a compelling case based on these achievements." Then list everything. Projects you delivered, problems you solved, revenue you influenced, time you saved the business, new skills you have developed, additional responsibilities you have taken on. Claude will organize your raw list into a clear, professional narrative that frames your contributions in business terms. Here is the exact script. Use it word for word or adapt it to your natural voice. The structure is what matters. When you sit down, open with, "I really value working here, and I am proud of what I have contributed over the past year. I have been researching the market rate, and the median for someone with my background is currently £40,250. I would like to discuss bringing my salary in line with that figure. I am asking for a salary of specific number." Then stop talking. After you state your number, be silent. The person who speaks first is in the weaker position. If they say the budget is not available right now, respond with this, "I completely understand. Could we agree on a specific date when we can revisit this formally? Are there specific targets I can hit to support that?" If they question your market rate, you have your research ready. You are making a request based on data, not feeling. If the answer is a firm no, that information is valuable. It tells you your current employer won't pay your market worth. That is not a reason to be angry. It is a reason to update your CV and use your research to find an employer who will. The market in 2026 rewards people who know their value. Switching employers remains one of the most reliable ways to achieve a significant salary increase in a single move, often 10 to 20%, in a way that annual pay reviews rarely match. Your action plan. 1. Use Claude or ChatGPT to research your market rate this week. 2. Use AI to build your contributions case. 3. Book a meeting with your manager. 4. Use the script. 5. Stop talking after you state your number. Hit the like button if this was useful. Subscribe to Wealth AI. Next week, we cover the UK pension crisis. That one is urgent. Drop a comment below. Are you having this conversation this month? Tell me your goal. I am Wealth AI, and this is just the beginning.